Hey there, fitness friends. Ever wonder what it takes to fuel your body for peak performance? Well, you're in for a treat today. Get ready to join me on a mouth-watering journey through my daily eats. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be itching to raid your fridge. What's up, everyone? It's your girl Zen here, and today we're diving into the delicious world of healthy eating for fitness. Now, I know what you're thinking, ugh, another boring health video. But hold on to your protein shakes, because this isn't your grandma's meal plan. We're about to embark on a day-in-the-life adventure, where I'll show you exactly what I munch on to keep these muscles happy and my energy through the roof. From breakfast to bedtime snacks, we're covering it all. And the best part? Everything is super easy to make, even if your cooking skills are limited to boiling water. Quick joke for you, why did the gym close down? It just didn't work out. Bah dum tss, don't worry, our food journey today will definitely work out. But before we dive in, let's play a little game. I want you to guess what my breakfast is going to be. Is it A, a bowl of cardboard-flavored oatmeal, B, a green smoothie that looks like swamp water, or C, something actually delicious that'll make your taste buds dance? If you guessed C, you're absolutely right. And if you didn't, well, stick around anyway because you're in for a surprise. Pause the video right now and drop a comment with your guess. I'll wait. Okay, ready? Let's see if you nailed it. Oh, and fair warning, if your stomach starts growling halfway through this video, I take no responsibility. Maybe grab a snack now, just in case. Alright, let's kick things off with the most important meal of the day, breakfast. Today, we're whipping up a protein-packed banana pancake stack. Here's what you need: 1 ripe banana, 2 eggs, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, and a dash of cinnamon. Mix it all up, cook like regular pancakes, and voila! Top it with some fresh berries and a drizzle of honey, and you've got yourself a breakfast of champions. These bad boys are loaded with protein to keep you full, and the banana gives you a nice energy boost to start your day. Pro tip, mash the banana really well, to avoid lumpy pancakes. Unless you're into that sort of thing. No judgment here. Moving on to mid-morning snack time. I always keep some homemade trail mix on hand. It's a mix of almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and a few dark chocolate chips for good measure. The nuts and seeds are packed with healthy fats and protein, while the dark chocolate, well, that's just because life's too short not to have chocolate every day. Quick quiz, which nut in our trail mix has the most protein per serving? A, almonds, B, walnuts, or C, pumpkin seeds? Pause the video and think about it. Ready? The answer is almonds. They pack about 6 grams of protein per ounce. Not too shabby for a little nut. For lunch, we're going with a colorful chicken and quinoa bowl. I meal prep these on Sundays, so they're ready to grab and go. We've got grilled chicken breast, quinoa, roasted sweet potato, steamed broccoli, and sliced avocado. All topped with a homemade lemon tahini dressing. This bowl is a nutritional powerhouse: lean protein from the chicken, complex carbs from the quinoa and sweet potato, and healthy fats from the avocado. Plus, it's so pretty, it's practically Instagram-worthy. Speaking of Instagram-worthy, if you make any of these meals, snap a pic and post it with the hashtag #ZenFitEats. I'll be checking, and might even feature some of your creations in my next video. Afternoon snack is where things get interesting. I like to mix it up with some Greek yogurt, but here's the twist: I top it with crushed pistachios and a drizzle of honey. It's like a healthier version of pistachio ice cream, and it satisfies my sweet tooth, without derailing my fitness goals. Why did the pistachio blush? Because it saw the salad dressing. Okay, I promise that's the last nut joke, for now. Now, for the grand finale, dinner. Tonight, we're having baked salmon with roasted vegetables and brown rice. The salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for muscle recovery and overall health. I season it with lemon, dill, and a touch of garlic, simple but delicious. And because I believe in ending the day on a sweet note, dessert is a small square of dark chocolate. It's rich in antioxidants and, let's be honest, it just makes life better. Here's another pro tip: if you're craving something sweet after dinner, try brushing your teeth. Sometimes that minty freshness is enough to curb the craving. But if not, hey, that's what the dark chocolate is for. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the real MVPs of today's meals. First up, those protein pancakes, fluffy, delicious, and they'll keep you full for hours. Trust me, once you try these, you'll never go back to regular pancakes again. And can we talk about that chicken and quinoa bowl? It's a rainbow in a bowl, people. Not only does it look amazing, but each color represents different nutrients. It's like eating a multivitamin, but way more delicious. Oh, and that pistachio yogurt snack? It's proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Who says you can't have your ice cream and eat it too? Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below with your favorite healthy meal. Is it a killer smoothie recipe? A to-die-for salad? Or maybe you've got a secret healthy dessert up your sleeve? Share the love, people. But you know what the best part of my day is? That salmon dinner. There's something about a perfectly cooked piece of fish that just makes me feel like I'm adulting right. Plus, it's packed with protein and healthy fats that'll keep your muscles happy and your brain sharp. So there you have it, folks, a day in my life of eating for fitness. Remember, eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or fun. It's all about finding nutritious foods that you actually enjoy eating. The key is balance. You don't have to eat perfectly 100% of the time, that's just not realistic. But by making smart choices most of the time, you're setting yourself up for success in your fitness journey. And hey, if you're feeling overwhelmed, start small. Maybe try incorporating one of these meals into your routine this week. Baby steps, people. If you enjoyed this peek into my daily eats, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more fitness and nutrition content. And hey, while you're at it, why not check out my video on quick and easy post-workout meals? Trust me, your muscles will thank you. Now, I've got an exciting surprise for you all. When I'm not in the kitchen or at the gym, I'm all about helping you level up in all areas of life. That's why I've created some amazing digital products over at Byte Shop. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity, learn a new skill, or just need some inspiration, we've got you covered. Head over to Byte Shop now, the link is right there in the description below. And don't forget to use code FITNESS10 for a special 10% discount on all our digital goodies. Trust me, your mind will thank you just as much as your body does after a good workout. Before you go, let's do one last interactive challenge. Strike your best, strong and healthy pose right now, wherever you are. In your car? Flex those biceps. At work? Show off that perfect posture. At home? Give me your fiercest warrior pose. Now hold it for 5 seconds and feel that energy flow. Alright, that's it from me. Remember, you are what you eat, so eat something awesome. And don't forget to feed your mind too with some goodies from Byte Shop. Catch you in the next video.